What's the meaning of compensate? Compensate. Compensate.
Compensate. Compensate. The term compensate refers to providing something of value or offering a payment in order to make up for a shortfall or loss. This can include financial compensation, as well as other forms of compensation such as service or product offerings. The result of compensation is intended to be a fair and just resolution to an issue, with the goal of making the affected party whole again. Compensation can help to restore trust and goodwill, and may be mandated by law or simply offered as a means of resolving a dispute or issue in a satisfactory manner.